Hello children, welcome to Shanta Vidya Niketan Social Studies class. Our topic is Heritage of India. In our first video, we have already discussed about what is heritage. Material heritage of India. Temples in India, cave paintings and sculptures, minars, forts and stupas, tombs and memorials. Now, in this video, we will discuss about non-material heritage of India. Non-material heritage. It constitutes things that are not physical, but are passed down from generation to generation. These constitute different forms of music, dance, literature and theatre. Indian literature. People all over the world pass on values and moral lessons through stories and folk tales. Our country also has a rich heritage in the form of stories and tales. The earliest works of Indian literature were orally transmitted. The two most epics of Indian literature are the Mahabharata and the Ramayana. The Ramayana tells us that Raja Dashrath of Ayodhya had 3 wives and 4 sons. The names were Ram, Lakshman, Bharat and Shatrughan. The Ramayana tells us about the family values and about the obedience. The another epic is Mahabharata. This tells us about the war between the 100 Kaurava brothers and the 5 Pandava brothers in Kurukshetra. India also has a rich tradition of Jataka tales and Panchatantra stories, which were written to give moral lessons. The Panchatantra is a legendary collection of short stories believed to be written by Vishnu Sharma. The 20th century saw the emergence of eminent writers and poets like R.K. Narayan, A.K. Ramanujan and Rabindranath Tagore. Tagore received the Nobel Prize for Literature and is India's first Nobel laureate. Music and dance. Indian music includes a variety of folk, pop and classical music. Indian classical music, Hindustani and Carnatic, has been developed over several eras. Music in India is an important part of the social and religious lives of people. There are many devotional songs that have been composed for the Hindu deities, and they have been passed down from one generation to the other. Indian classical dance forms have organized from different parts of the country. For example, Bharatnatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathakali and Mohiniyattam are dance forms of the southern region, whereas Kathak is a classical dance form that originated in the northern states of India. Odissi is a classical dance form of the state of Odisha. There are 8 classical dance forms in India. There are also many folk dances that can be seen in different parts of India. For example, Dandiya is a folk dance of Gujarat and Ghumar is a popular folk dance form seen in Rajasthan. preserving our heritage. The Archaeological Survey of India is an Indian government organization that is responsible for the conservation and preservation of our heritage. However, this task cannot be undertaken only by the government. As responsible citizens, it is important that we also take steps towards preserving our heritage. Our heritage helps us to learn about the history of our country and enables us to know more about our culture. It also encourages tourism and helps the economy. Hence, we should not vandalize heritage property. It is important that we respect our heritage and take steps to protect it in order to retain its historical significance. So children, we have discussed about what is heritage, what are non-material heritage, what are material heritage, and how to preserve our heritage, how to preserve these heritage and how to follow these heritage and culture so that we can pass these culture and heritage to our next generation. So, with this, we are ending this chapter. We will meet you in our next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.